Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see about a content writing tool that you wish you knew earlier. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. Did you ever want a help with content writing, or did you ever wanted to rephrase your sentences so that they could sound much more better or much more in the way that you wanted them to sound like? Then you must watch this video till end to know about this tool that I'm going to mention, especially for the content writers. Here you go with it, that is wordtune.com. So this is something that is going to help you write in a much more better way. You can get this extension by clicking onto this, and you just need to add this extension to your Chrome. Now this will be asking us something like I write most for my, let's say that for my work purposes, and it could ask us some basic questionnaire so that it can give us much more better tools. You can even skip it. So here let's say that we are a content writer, so more specifically you can say that a team lead, we can say 1 to 50, and your language you can choose, and from where, like, it can be anything. So let us choose one thing and click on this. So we can add this to the Chrome as an extension. Click on it, and in this way we can just install it as an extension. Click on add to Chrome, and once that is done we can successfully add extension. And meanwhile we can even go to the editor of this Wordtune to see how this works, and like how we can have this all-in-one editor to manage all our words and all sentences. So here we can see that it is successfully added to the Chrome, and here we can see that here we have this AI writing workspace. Then we can just have a look at things like we can express ourselves, and we can just highlight the text, and we can ask it to rephrase it or rewrite it for us. And then we even have this spices one, which add a spice to enrich your text with statistical facts and all. So once we are done with this, now we can just paste our text over here, or we can ask this Wordtune to write some blog post or some Twitter thread or LinkedIn post for us. So we can ask it by just typing like what we want and for what we want. So or else we can just give our own text over here. So here we have some text, so it is very like I have just typed it. So here I can just highlight this text like this, and I can ask it to rewrite this particular sentence. And here I have, instead of hello, I can give it to be something like greetings, and instead of this, so here I can check like how it is rephrasing this sentence. So this sounds much better now. You can even shorten or expand or shorten this, and also you can sound it more like casual or formal, so you can choose accordingly. And the best part is that once you add it as an extension, you can use it in your emails and in your messages, whatever you just send to people. You can rewrite your phrases in a much better tone, and this could be easy for the content writers or for everyday use to anyone else who are who are sending more emails every day, or to send messages to formal people. This is all for this video, guys, and I hope this tool helps you. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching.